In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Figma design to website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start the publish flow and what you need to have in place to finish it successfully. To begin, make sure you're in the Figma file you want to share as a website. Look toward the top of the Figma interface for the Publish option. Depending on your layout and window size, you'll see a button labeled Publish or a menu item with an ellipsis that includes Publish. Click on Publish to open Figma's publishing flow. This is the entry point that turns your current design into a live, shareable site experience. After you click it, Figma will guide you with an on-screen dialog. Follow the prompts you see there, as they're tailored to your file and workspace. If you're asked to review what's being published, take a moment to confirm you're sharing the correct content. Keeping your file tidy and clearly named will make this process smoother, especially if multiple frames or pages are present. Now, an important note about access. You need to be on a plan to continue. If your account or workspace doesn't include the required plan for publishing to a website, Figma will show a message and stop you from proceeding. This isn't an error with your file. It simply means the publishing feature is limited to specific paid tiers. If you see that prompt, you'll need to use a workspace that already has the appropriate plan or have your current workspace upgraded before you can finish publishing. If you're part of a team, check that you're working in the correct workspace and signed in with the right account, since plan eligibility is tied to where the file lives. A few quick tips to keep your publish smooth and predictable. Before you click Publish, double-check that your design reflects what you want viewers to see live, because any updates you make later may require you to publish again to push changes. If your design references images, fonts, or components from other files, confirm those assets are accessible so they display correctly once published. Also consider visibility settings during the flow. Review who will be able to view your site after it goes live, and ensure that aligns with your sharing goals. That's it. Click Publish to start the flow, and remember you must be on an eligible plan to continue. Once your plan access is confirmed, simply follow the on-screen steps to complete publishing and share the live link. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!